Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use the world best SEO software that is called MoneyRobot. Here you can type keyword MoneyRobot and you can go on the official website moneyrobot.com, and here you will get a download button where you can download free version of this software. So this is the world best software that lets you create thousands of backlinks. So let me download this software, and after that here you can see on my downloads page in Google Chrome browser. So it will take just few seconds. After that it will be installed, and it have just only 5 MB size, so that it will not take much of space from your laptop. And after that let me run the setup. So let me go in the downloads folder, and here you can see this is the file. So let me open, and after that click on the button. Then let me accept terms and conditions. So now let me launch Money Report Submitter. And after that here we need to add email and password. So that is basically license key. So to get free license key we need to create an account. Here you can see, just click here, and after that here I need to add email. So I can copy this one, and after that let me add here. So I think I should type it. Then let me click on create account button, and after that here you can see I got notification that license key is sent to email. So let me read this message, and after that here I can read this message, and let me copy email, and here I can again add, and here I can copy license key, and then I can add here, then okay. So guys, here you can see setup is loading. That's great, it has started. So now in my projects here you can see default, this is my first project. Next step is here I need to add a new task. So guys, here you can see actually these are the related to off page SEO. So you can create different types of backlinks. For example, I want to create web 2.0 blogs, and then here I can add title, enable website market, okay guys. And after that here I need to add some content. So to generate some content I can use Google app. So all right, here I can copy and add here. And here I want to add a link. And now I need to go back. Then I can copy this link and add here. Insert link. So guys, here you can see this is HTML code that is also called anchor text. Here I can type tags, earn money online. So guys, here you can see these are the blog websites. So let me save this project, and after that here you can see start task button. So let me click on the start task button, and here you can see it is just started. So actually this is free version, and here we cannot increase speed from 5 threads to 100. So, and also here you can see captcha solving. So this is the world best SEO software and tool that you can easily use. So the process is divided into the multiple steps. Here you can see first step is creating account, and it will take some time. After creating account, it will create some backlinks, and once it will be 100% complete, then all the process is complete.